Hi there, thank you so much for joining me today. This video is going to be a second part to a video I did a couple weeks back. That original video was where I hypothesized that all my makeup disappeared and I only had $100 to go out and buy new products to create a whole new face of makeup. This is, once again, if all my skincare disappeared and I only had $100 to go out and buy a new skincare routine, what would I buy? These are all relatively affordable and cruelty-free brands. They're all brands that I've used for a long time and enjoy. Part of me is a little hesitant to recommend skincare to you guys. I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a professional. Skincare is definitely a whole new ball game. I don't know much about it. I'm very new to it myself. And so keep in mind, before you start putting new ingredients in your skincare, please just talk to your dermatologist and get all that figured out. But I do get a lot of questions about what I use, and I just wanted to let you guys know what some of my favorite products are. So the first I'm going to start with is a micellar water. A lot of people might not consider this a part of their skincare routine, but I feel like anything you're using to remove your makeup is still working with your skin, and you want to try and find things that actually remove the makeup but don't bother your skin or irritate you in any way. I chose the NYX stripped off micellar water. This is only $7 and you get 13.5 fluid ounces. If you have tried the NYX micellar water and you don't love it, I have an entire video on micellar waters that are all cruelty-free and affordable, so if you don't like the NYX one, I have other recommendations in that video. This does a great job at removing all my makeup. It doesn't irritate my skin. I think it's a great price, and so I would definitely choose this to be in my new skincare routine. The next product would be face wash, and I chose the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. I don't have a lot left. I think I'm only down to here, and I would definitely repurchase this. It's not sudsy or soapy. It doesn't dry out your skin or pull out all the oils. This is a good second cleanse product, so once I've removed all of my makeup with another product, I would use this to actually go in and cleanse my skin. It's very gentle, it does the job, my skin reacts really well to it. This is $18, so it's one of the more expensive products in my collection, but I definitely recommend trying it, and I would definitely repurchase if all of my skincare disappeared. The next product is an exfoliant. There are a huge amount of exfoliants out there: chemical, physical, lactic acid, glycolic acid, so many different variations out there, but I would say my favorite, if everything disappeared and I had to go out and buy something new, I would definitely run out and get the Pumpkin Honey Glycolic Mask from Andalou Naturals. I love this mask. I have maybe a third of it gone already, and I use this maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. If you have very sensitive skin or you're new to chemical exfoliants, I would recommend only keeping this on for a few minutes, but it says you can keep it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Whoops. It definitely does have like a tingling, slightly burning sensation, which I don't mind at all. This is a great affordable version of the Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, which I used to love back in the day, but that's not a cruelty-free brand. This is, and it's much more affordable. I really do like this a lot. And so if I had to go out and buy a new exfoliant, this would be my very first pick. Another product is one that I'm trying to get better at incorporating into my skincare routine, and that is a retinol product. This is from The Ordinary. The Ordinary has a huge line of just retinol products, so I will link below an article, I think it's on a blog like The Beauty Editor or something, and it gives a complete guide to all of The Ordinary's retinol. So it talks about each product, who it would work for, whether or not it irritated their skin, and just gives you an idea of which one would work best for you. I would definitely recommend checking out that site. I'll link it below. The one I have on my list is The Ordinary's Retinol 0.2% in Squalene. That one is only $5.30. I am 25, so I'm kind of starting to get into the idea of wanting to incorporate retinols into my skincare routine, and I definitely trust that The Ordinary has good products for a really affordable price. So if you're wanting to start with retinols, Ordinary is the way to go. For an SPF, I'm definitely going back to Glossier. This is the Invisible Shield Daily Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 35. And this is actually $25 on the website. I think it used to be like 30-something dollars. I think the price went down. So I'm really happy to see that. Still kind of pricey, but when it comes to good quality SPF, I think it's worth it. This has a little pump here, and it's a very gel-like formula. I think this would work for any skin type. You put it on top of your moisturizer, and I think it's really great. The fact that it's SPF 35 and it's super lightweight. I love this. I would definitely repurchase it if all my skincare disappeared. The next product is a facial oil, especially in the winter time. I definitely love incorporating oils into my skincare routine. I have pretty normal skin, but I think facial oils could work for you if you have oily or dry skin as well. I have The Ordinary's 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. I love this. I have been using this basically day and night for the past couple of months, and my skin is so much better for it. This one is $9.80. Like I said, I've been using it day and night for a couple months now, and I'm not even at the halfway mark. So I think you get a lot of use out of this. You get a really great deal for your money. I think rosehip seed oil is really good for your skin. I think I read somewhere that it helps with acne scarring. I'm not sure if it's really done that for me, but I just love the moisturizing factor into it. It's not super heavy. If you have oilier skin, I wouldn't recommend using it underneath your makeup, but I think if you're trying to incorporate a nighttime oil, this is a really great start. Very affordable, really great brand, and something that I've really been enjoying using these past couple of months. The next product is a facial spray. This one's kind of like an indulgence. I don't know if you necessarily need a facial spray in your skincare routine, but the one I would definitely recommend trying is the Mario Badescu spray. I have the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I think they have 3 different fragrances or 3 different scents, one in rose and one in lavender as well, and this one's definitely my favorite. I love the way it smells. It's a really luxurious experience. Sometimes I'll spray my face before I put on moisturizer to kind of help it sink in a little bit more quickly. Really love this. I know it's kind of an indulgent step in my skincare routine, but this smaller size is only $7, and it's definitely something that I would repurchase if all my skincare disappeared. For moisturizer, I don't actually have the product with me. I used it up a couple months back, and I talked about it in great length in an empties video, I think in November or December. It is the Ordinary's Moisturizing Factors plus HA. That is only $5.80. I think it's only 1 ounce though, and you go through it pretty quickly. I know some people don't like it because it does have a weird texture to it. The way I use it is I put a little bit in my hands and I rub it together between my palms, and then I apply it, and that helps to kind of melt the product. Whenever it comes out, it can be a little bit chunky and a little bit more balmy, but if you warm it up in your hands, I find that it applies really nicely. It works perfectly under makeup. It moisturizes your skin. It creates a nice barrier between your skin and your makeup, but it doesn't leave a greasy residue. It's moisturizing, but it's almost mattifying in a way. I don't know how to explain it. Very affordable. I definitely recommend trying it, and once I use up some of the other creams in my skincare routine, I will definitely be repurchasing that one. I'd like to point out that I'm not including an eye cream. I don't really have any holy grail eye creams, and I definitely don't know of any affordable cruelty-free ones that I can recommend. If you know of any affordable cruelty-free eye creams, please let me know. I'd love to try them out. So I'm just going to use my regular moisturizer in my eye area as a cream. My very last product is a lip balm, and it's actually the newest product in my skincare routine. It is the Dr. Bronner's Organic Naked Lip Balm. It doesn't have any taste or scent to it, which I love. It's thick but not too thick. It's a really great all-around chapstick. Listen to the ingredients in this. It sounds amazing. It has avocado oils in it. It has jojoba oil. It has hemp seed oil. And I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, it's petroleum free. And I really like the price too. It's only $2.69. It does not have an SPF in it, which I wish it did. But I still really like this, and I would definitely go out and repurchase this if all of my other chapsticks disappeared. And that brings my grand total to $95.58. So I'm actually a couple dollars under the $100 mark. I feel like those are all products that I really enjoy using, and I think that that would be a very solid skincare routine to start out with. So I feel good about that, and I'm glad that I made it to just under $100. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and fun. If you have any cruelty-free affordable skincare products that you would recommend to me, please do so in the comments. I'm always looking to try new affordable skincare products. But in the meantime, that's everything I have. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!